Hey everybody, Anthony from Ace Woodco here with my dog Sawyer, and today I'm going to show you how to build this plant pot. I designed it using the hexagon shape. It's fairly simple to do and adds some nice wood tones to a natural plant. So please stick around and enjoy the video. For this project I ended up picking up 1x8x4 shorts from my local lumber yard. I also built this plant pot to fit 10-inch pots, but if you were wanting to build something like this, you can build it to your pot size that you desire. And since I'm using a hexagon, I'm going to need to cut 6 pieces, with 1 extra piece for the base of the plant pot. Now that you have all the pieces cut, it's time to rip it down. I ripped it down with a 30-degree angle. This gives me the proper angle to complete the hexagon so all the joints are tight. And with all the pieces cut, it's time to sand down the pieces to make it nice and smooth. For connecting the pieces together, I ended up measuring 1/2 inch on the square side, and this is where I will glue and brad nail the other piece to. Since this is a weird angle and it's a little hard to get your sandpaper in there, I ended up taping the pieces so that when I glue it up, it doesn't create such a big mess. And with all the pieces taped up, I ended up starting to glue. I ended up using Titebond wood glue, and then I used my brad nailer to secure them together. It gives it a nice clean look, and you won't see any brad nail holes on the outside, which is nice. With all the sides glued together, I ended up putting the base. I took measurements of the base after everything was glued up. Now with everything dry, it's time to rip off the tape, sand it up, and put some finish on it. And there you have it, a nice wooden plant pot to complement all your plants. It's a nice simple build that adds nice wood tones to your living space. See, even Sawyer likes it. If you like this video and you like the guest appearance of Sawyer, please hit that like and subscribe button. And thanks for watching.